In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view who blocked you on X.com, formerly known as Twitter, using a super simple method on your PC. Now, X does not give you a direct list of accounts that have blocked you, so there is no built-in page where you can see every blocker at once. But there is still an easy way to check individual accounts and verify whether someone has blocked you. This is a quick and useful trick if you've noticed someone's post disappeared, you can't interact with their account, or you just want to confirm what's going on. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to X.com. Log into your account if you are not already signed in. Once you're on the platform, think of the account you want to check. Since X doesn't provide a blocker list, the only way to verify it is by visiting that specific profile directly. You can use the search bar at the top of the page and type in the exact username or display name of the person you want to check. When their profile appears, click on it to open the account page. Now here is the important part. If that person has blocked you, you will not see their normal profile view. Instead, X will show a prominent message across the profile indicating that you are blocked and cannot follow or view their posts. This is the clearest sign that the account has blocked you. If you can view the profile normally, then you have not been blocked by that account. You may still not be following them, or their account may be private, but that is different from being blocked. If you want to check another person, simply repeat the same process by searching for their profile and opening it directly. This method is especially useful because it lets you confirm the block status without needing any third-party tools or complicated extensions. It's fast, simple, and works right inside X on your browser. One thing to remember is that X may change how blocked profiles appear over time, so if the interface looks slightly different, the key thing to look for is the warning message telling you that the account has blocked you. That message is the confirmation you need. So to recap, X does not show a full list of people who blocked you, but you can still check specific accounts on your PC by opening their profile directly. If a block is in place, X will display a clear message on that profile. And that's it, a quick way to view who blocked you on X.com, one profile at a time. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial.